Hi, I'm trying to use this video to get you to go on Sierra's site and then get your assignments. So let's go ahead and try that. So I'm going to go on the top. I'm at the course CIS 200-051W. Click on Cirrus. It's going to bring me here. I'm going to put the account I have created that is considering me as a student. So and I go next and it says it looks like you already have an account. So I go ahead and bring the login page and my login password. This is after you have created and registered for Cirrus. Now I want to show in this video how do you do the assignments. So here's I'm going to sign in. And right here, your course is CIS 200-051W. I have another course that uses Cirrus, and that's 112-051W. So don't mind that, but this is your course, so you should just see this. And you go to your course. And right here, you see the 3 books that these are your ebooks that you can go to. If you click, there are 2 ways to go to your assignments. You can either click on the modules, it will take you to the assignments, or you can go to here and this will take you to your assignments. So I'm going to go to modules. And in the modules that you see that Microsoft Word, that's chapter 1, section 1. This is assigned, so these are all the Microsoft Word stuff. Then Excel starts. Then there is, after that, the databases access, and then there is PowerPoint after that. So that's the marquee book. These are all the assignments you have to do. That's off of the marquee book. And then here you can see your ebook. So if you click in here, you'll see your ebook. And then it goes into the ODW, which is the other book, the 5th edition. And you have these assignments to do those. And then lastly, there is the Windows book. So there are 3 books you have assignments out of. And this one is 8 chapters. After that, you're going to come across your Windows book. So this is here's Windows getting started, Windows 10, and all your assignments in here for the Windows 10. So our digital Word ebook is right here, right at the end of all the assignments, and your Windows assignments are right here. So now that we see in a big picture where all the assignments are, let's go ahead and zero in on, let's say, doing first assignment. The first assignment is this one. So if I go in here and you see that it says watch the video, read the content. These 2 are like lectures. These are the way you will learn the stuff before you actually attempt right here to take the quiz. So if you click on the video, it's going to bring you to a place where you can click on here and it will go ahead and it will explain what the activity is. If you're wanting to read instead of listening to learning the material, this is activity 1.1. This is out of your textbook. And these are the things you're going to learn. You're pretty much learning what's on the title bar, what are the very basics of Microsoft Word environment and where's the ribbon, where's this, how do you scroll up and down, where's the vertical ruler, horizontal ruler, file tab, and all of that. Yeah. So this is all the stuff that's on section 1.1. Let's say that you do all of that, you watch the video, you do the content, And none of these really are associated with points. These are kind of optional. You want to watch it and then you want to read the content, that's fine. The points are associated here with the exam, the test. At the end of the section, there's a small quiz you have to do. And there are, uh, a couple questions here at the end. And I think there are just 2 questions here for this particular one. So what file extension is automatically added to documents in Word 2019? Let's choose that. What's the name for the section of the Word 2009 screen that contains the tabs with option? So I'm going to just choose a random one, just, so that we can have one answer wrong. And that way we can see what the wrong answers look like and what the right answers look like. Okay, so let's say just quick X, that's not the right answer. I'm just choosing it to show you what the wrong answer will look like. Okay, finish attempt. I'm done. And I submit all of that. Okay, so you see that it shows that one question I answered right, one answer I answered wrong. Question 1, it shows that I got points, and it tells you references to that's on Word page 4, that's activity 1.1. And then on the second one, it says what the right answer is and what page it is and all of that, right? So then next, is going to take me here to tutorials. It allows me to go through these tutorials and learn a little bit more if I need to study that chapter 1. And if I go to grades, I'll see that I have a grade that is, this is my, so grades CIS. Let's see. Flashcard. So Microsoft Word. Have to rearrange these. It seems like they're on an opposite. But Microsoft Word was the first one I took. Remember this one? And I got 5 out of 10. And you should be able to see the same thing as a student. Your grades will start accumulating in here. Now, you can take every one of these little quizzes as many times as you want. So you can go back to the modules and you can go back to that same one and retake the test, the exam. If you want to watch again or reattempt exam, you have unlimited attempts and it's not timed. Okay, and it gives you a summary of your previous attempt and what you got. Hope that helps. Now, how do you know what assignments you should do? Remember that this actually on your syllabus. So when you go to your syllabus, if you recall, all the deadlines are at the end, listed at the end of your syllabus. So if you go at the end of the syllabus, it tells you from the ODW book, chapters 1 and 2, Marquis Office is Microsoft Word, Windows 10 chapters 1, 2, 3. They're all due by the 15th of September. So you have approximately 1 month to finish all of these. I hope that this video has been helpful in